Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're just going to take a quick look at the F.A.T wrench from Wheeler. So if we take a closer look here, molded into the casing, we see here the F.A.T wrench and Accurizing torque wrench, and again from Wheeler Engineering. Pretty hard plastic case. And there's your hinge mechanism. So it's a pretty interesting case all by itself. If we open it up, you can see here some of the inner molding and the components itself. So what's interesting, it comes with a calibration certificate. So this one dates this to 2019. Have this for several years now. And here's your usage and care instructions. It actually opens out. And you can see here on the other side, useful tips and some also tables and photos to help with the instructions. If we take a closer look at the items themselves, and you can see they provide a selection of common styles of bits there. And of course, this is compatible with others as well. And there's your kind of visual window on your settings. And this is in inch pounds. So if we look at the bottom, here's a little bit more diagram instructions on how to lock and set and unlock. So let's see if we can go ahead and figure this out. So if we pull on this, we can start to actually increase the torque settings. And you see there it's gradually increasing the more I turn the knob clockwise. If I'm looking at this direction, you can see the indicator with the red line. So right now I have it at 20 inch pounds. And when you're done with your task, always release the tension. Again, pulling on the knob and gradually turning it counterclockwise. And it does get easier the lower it goes down as you relieve the tension on this end up here until you get down to 0. And then you can release that. So if you want to reset it back up to a reasonable range, and it's ready to put back. So if we want to see how it fits with some of these, it is magnetic. As you can see, prevents them from falling out. It also helps with if they start getting sticky in whatever you are working on, it helps with pulling them out as well. So another look at the casing of the wrench itself. And again, the little instruction window down there. So taking a quick look at the F.A.T wrench from Wheeler Engineering. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.